Verb is a word that shows an action or state of being. The cat jumps over the box. The cat jumps over the box. The verb in this sentence is jumps. She reads a storybook at night. She reads a storybook at night. The verb in this sentence is reads. I run to school every day. I run to school every day. The verb in this sentence is run. We play in the park after school. We play in the park after school. The verb in this sentence is play. My brother rides his bike on the street. My brother rides his bike on the street. The verb in this sentence is rides. The bird sings in the tree. The bird sings in the tree. The verb in this sentence is sings. They eat lunch together. They eat lunch together. The verb in this sentence is eat. Dad drives the car carefully. Dad drives the car carefully. The verb in this sentence is drives. The baby sleeps in the crib. The baby sleeps in the crib. The verb in this sentence is sleeps. I write my name on the paper. I write my name on the paper. The verb in this sentence is write. The dog barks at the strangers. The dog barks at the strangers. The verb in this sentence is barks. Mom cooks dinner for the family. Mom cooks dinner for the family. The verb in this sentence is cooks. The fish swims in the pond. The fish swims in the pond. The verb in this sentence is swims. We watch cartoons on Saturday. We watch cartoons on Saturday. The verb in this sentence is watch. The boy throws the ball to his friend. The boy throws the ball to his friend. The verb in this sentence is throws. My sister helps me with my project. My sister helps me with my project. The verb in this sentence is helps. The girl draws a pretty flower. The girl draws a pretty flower. The verb in this sentence is draws. The children dance at the party. The children dance at the party. The verb in this sentence is dance. I clean my room every weekend. I clean my room every weekend. The verb in this sentence is clean. The sun shines brightly. The sun shines brightly. The verb in this sentence is write your answer in the comment section. Thank you for listening. See you on our next lesson.